Use a 6mm drill bit to drill a pilot hole approximately 50mm down. This will help to avoid cracking tiles or splitting timber decking. Use a 10mm masonry drill bit to drill down 80mm. Clear the dust from all holes. Using the appropriate fittings, fix the end spigots of the run into place. Plumb these spigots centre of chalk line. Using a string line off these end spigots as a guide, bolt and plumb the remaining spigots. Repeat along the run. Slide the cover plate on the spigots. Repeat along the run. Carry the first panel into position and place it into the spigots as carefully as possible, ensuring the glass sits neatly in the pressure plate sleeve. Slightly tighten the grub screws. Continue this along the run until all panels are in place, excluding the gate. Check that your fence is in a straight line and your panel spacings and gate opening are correct.